Let me show you how to make this quick and easy shrimp vermicelli noodles. This is super easy to make and very delicious. Hope you like this recipe and hope you give it a try. Using a wok or a pan, add an oil of your choice. Once that oil is ready, cook the shrimp. This is the jumbo shrimp, tail on and skin on, but this is easy to peel. Cook the shrimp until the color change into orange. We're going to use this vermicelli noodle. You could get this at the local store. And boil a pot of water. Once the shrimp is ready, we're going to set this aside. Remove this from the pot or the pan and set this aside. Wipe down the wok with a paper towel. Add a little bit of oil and just wipe that to remove any shrimp skin or peel from the shrimp. Add about half a teaspoon of oil. Add a garlic, about a tablespoon of garlic. Cook the garlic for less than a minute. Back in a pot. Once the water is boiling, we are going to cook the vermicelli noodles. This should cook only less than 2 minutes, no more than 2 minutes. Let that boil. Back on a wok, we're going to add a thinly sliced onions. Cook this for about a minute. And then we're going to add this chicken bouillon, better than bouillon, a tablespoon of that. Add half cup of water, or you could use chicken broth. Mix this until all of that chicken bouillon is well incorporated. Add your choice of spices or seasoning. I'm going to put the seasoning I used here in the description box. Add about half a tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix until everything is well incorporated. This is the time you're going to taste this. Adjust it to your liking. Then back to our noodles. This should be already done. Remove the noodles and simply add this into the wok. Cook the noodles into the mixture until all the liquid mixture is dissolved or all the liquid mixture has been absorbed by the noodle. You're going to adjust the heat while you're cooking the noodles, low to medium heat. Then we're going to add the cooked shrimp and mix this together until everything is combined or well incorporated. Once those are all mixed together, I normally used a scissor to cut the noodles. That's just your preference if you want it that way. It's easy to serve. Turn the heat off and then add just half a teaspoon of sesame oil. And that's it. Mix this together and this is ready to serve. This is very easy to make. All the ingredients you could get from the local market. And I'm also going to put that in the description box. I hope you like this video and give this recipe a try. If you have questions or any comments, please comment down below. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Ciao.